In this tutorial, we will learn about part environment. Click on New, select Part, remove the stick, use default template, click on OK. Then select the template. INLBS is inch, pound, second. Then there is mmns, millimeter, newton, second. And one is mks, mm, kilogram, second. I will create part using mmns, part solid. Then click on OK. In part environment, at first we will learn about extrude. Click on extrude, then click on the plane on which you want to create the sketch. Then click here to make it vertical. Then create your sketch that you want to convert into 3D. Click here and select one center rectangle. Give the center point, take your cursor away. Click the second point, double click the middle mouse button. Then give the dimensions. Your sketch should be close in order to create the 3D object. Then click on OK. Then orbit the object by pressing middle mouse button and dragging the mouse. Then zoom it from here. Then from here you can give the height of the object, how much you want. Enter. Then by clicking here you can reverse the direction. From here you can create a surface model. Extrude as surface. It will create surface model. Then from here you can view the final preview. Click here. It will show the final preview object. To cancel the preview, click here again on this symbol. And if you want to create a hollow object, click here on thicken sketch and give the thickness. Then you can control the direction of thickness from here. Click here, it will make it outside. We'll just view the top view. Our thickness is outside. If we again click on this, our thickness is half on either side. And again if we click on this, it is inside the sketch. In this way, from this button you can define your thickness to be on one side, other side, or on either side of the sketch. And if you don't want this feature, again click on this thicken sketch. It will cancel the thicken sketch. Zoom it, orbit it. Then to finalize the object, click here on OK. Now this plate is created. Again on this surface I want to create some object. For that again click on extrude. Select this top surface. Then again click on this sketch view. Now I want to create one rectangle with respect to this corner. If I take the rectangle command, corner rectangle, I cannot catch this point. In order to catch this point, you will have to define these lines as a reference line. To define these lines as a reference line, click here on references and select the lines to be defined as a reference line. Then click on close. Then take the rectangle command. Now here you can catch the point very easily. Give the first point, give the second point. Then single click the middle mouse button. Zoom it. Then click on OK. Orbit it. Give the height. And click on OK. Suppose here I want to create one hole. For that again click on extrude. Select the surface. Then click on sketch view. Then create the shape for the hole. I will create one rectangle from center. Give the center point. Give the second point. Single click middle mouse button. Then click on OK. Orbit it. Then reverse the direction from here, and from here click on remove material. Here material is removed. By clicking on this arrow you can control which side of material can be removed. Choose desired side and click on OK. Then as we create features, these features are listed here in the model tree. You can edit any feature. To edit the feature, right click on the feature and choose edit definition. And here you can change its height or other parameters and click on OK. And if you want to change the sketch, click on this arrow here, then select this section 1, then right click on it and click on edit definition. Again click on this sketch view, then make the changes. Suppose I want here circular profile. I will create one circle from center of this to this, then click the middle mouse button. Now here multiple profiles are created. For extrude, single profile is needed. Therefore we will trim this portion. To trim, click on delete segment and click on the object to be removed. Then click on OK, orbit the model. In this way you can make changes to any feature, and if you don't want some feature, select the feature, right click and delete it and click on OK. That feature will be removed. And if you want to erase all the feature, right click on the first feature and delete it and click on OK. All the dependent feature will be removed. Again click on extrude. I want to create a vertical object. Click on this vertical plane, click on sketch view, then pan it, press and hold shift button, press middle mouse button and drag the mouse. Then create one sketch here. I will create one sketch using line command. Then click the middle mouse button 2 times and click on OK. Orbit it, zoom fit. Now it is extruding on the one side. If you want to extrude on the other side also, click here in the option, and from here you can define the other side. Suppose I will select this blind, and here you can define the length on the other side, and here you can define the length on the first side. So in this way you can extrude on both sides of your sketch. If you want to extrude by same amount on either side of the sketch, then select here and click on this mid plane. Extrude on both sides of sketch plane by half. It will extrude by half on either side. And click on OK. Then I will create one more extrude on this surface. Click on extrude, select this surface, click on this sketch view, then create the shape. I want to create one circle here. Click on OK, then orbit it. Then for extrude, you can also give some logics for the extrude length. Click here. If you select this, extrude up to next surface, it will extrude up to next surface. And if you modify the original shape, it will automatically shift as per the modification of the shape. Then next is extrude to intersect with all surface. It will intersect and go up to the last surface. And if you want to create the hole, click on this remove material. It will create the hole up to the last surface. And then next is extrude to intersect with selected surface. You can select the surface up to which you want to extrude. I will cancel this remove material. It will extrude up to the surface selected by you. And next is extrude to selected point, curve, plane or surface. If I take this point, it will extrude up to that point. In this way, in the place of depth, you can also give the relation and click on OK. From here you can zoom fit. From here you can choose different shading options. Here is shading with edges. It will show the edges. Then shading with reflection. It will show reflection below it. Then shading, that is plain shading. Then no hidden. It will not show the hidden lines. Then hidden lines. It will show the hidden lines in gray color. Then wireframe. It will show the wireframe model. We will choose shading with edges. Then from here you can watch the different views: back view, front view, top view. From here you can define the different view. Then standard orientation. By rotating the middle mouse button towards monitor, it will zoom minus. And if you rotate middle mouse button towards you, it will zoom plus. Press the middle mouse button and drag the mouse, that will pan it. That's all. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.